Respected Principal, dear teachers, and my dear friends, a warm good morning to all. Today, we are gathered here to celebrate National Unity Day or Rashtriya Ekta Divas. Every Indian should now forget that he is a Rajput, a Sikh, or a Jat. He must remember that he is an Indian and he has every right in his country, but with certain duties, says Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. National Unity Day is celebrated every year in India on 31st October. The day is celebrated to mark the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who is also known as the Iron Man of India. It is a tribute to India's first Home Minister, who led the task of integrating princely states into the Union of India after independence in 1947. National Unity Day was introduced by the Government of India in 2014. The day is to promote a sense of belonging to the nation in the hearts of every citizen of India, in spite of their religion, language, or political view. Unity in diversity is a driving principle of Indian politics, society, and governance. It is the state of togetherness, despite the presence of infinite diversity. It is based on the concept where the individual has variations in physical qualities, skin color, caste, religion, tradition, etc., but still Indian. Unity in diversity is used as an expression of harmony and unity between dissimilar individuals or groups. National Unity Day is commemorated with the idea of strengthening the unity of Indians and integrity of our nation. The Statue of Unity is an enormous statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, inaugurated by Narendra Modi, the Prime Minister of India, on 31st October 2018. The Statue of Unity is the tallest statue in the world. The National Unity Day is based on spreading awareness about the need for unity and its importance in India. Various competitions like essay writing, elocution, quiz, as well as theme-based events and programs are conducted in schools, universities, and offices. On this occasion, I would like to conclude my speech with the thought, united we stand, divided we fall. Happy National Unity Day. Thank you.